Welcome. If you love tequila, fun facts, and great cocktails, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of this bold and versatile spirit. Cheers! All right, let's talk tequila. When you think of it, chances are the margarita is the first thing that comes to mind. But what if I told you there's a whole world beyond that? And mezcal, it's not just tequila's smoky cousin, it's an entirely different experience. Today, we're diving into the world of tequila and mezcal, exploring their types, how they're made, and most importantly, how to enjoy them in ways you may never have tried before. Let's get into it. First, let's break it down. Both tequila and mezcal come from the agave plant, but they have key differences. Tequila is made only from blue Weber agave, mostly in Jalisco, Mexico. Mezcal, on the other hand, can be made from over 30 types of agave and is primarily produced in Oaxaca. The biggest difference? The production process. Tequila is typically steamed in ovens, giving it a cleaner taste. Mezcal? It's roasted in underground pits, giving it that signature smoky flavor, a process with deep historical roots. Now let's talk types of tequila. There's Blanco unaged and fresh, perfect for cocktails. Then Reposado, aged 2 to 12 months in oak barrels, adding vanilla, caramel, and a hint of oak. Next is Añejo, aged 1 to 3 years, rich and smooth, great for sipping. Finally, Extra Añejo, over 3 years aged, deep flavors, almost like a fine whiskey, with complex oak and spice notes. Mezcal is all about the agave variety. The most common is Espadín, but rarer varieties like Tobala, known for its floral and earthy notes, and Pechuga offer unique flavors. Some are even distilled with fruits, herbs, or, wait for it, raw chicken breast. Yeah, Pechuga is wild. The chicken is added during distillation to add richness and flavor. It's a very traditional technique. Making tequila and mezcal is an art. Agave takes years, sometimes decades, to mature before it's harvested. In tequila production, the agave is steamed, then fermented and distilled. Mezcal, however, gets its signature smokiness from being roasted in underground pits, then crushed, fermented, and distilled. The result? Tequila is typically smooth, citrusy, and floral. Mezcal? Earthy, smoky, and complex. Now let's talk cocktails. If you love tequila but want something different, try a Paloma. Grapefruit soda, lime, and tequila. Super refreshing. For mezcal lovers, the Mezcal Negroni is a smoky twist on the classic. And if you want a tequila cocktail with some bite, try the El Diablo. Tequila, creme de cassis, lime, and ginger beer. A hidden gem. Want to enjoy tequila and mezcal the traditional way? Skip the lime and salt. Those are for bad tequila. Instead, sip it neat at room temperature, maybe with a slice of orange for mezcal. Let the flavors open up, and pair it with food. Tequila Blanco goes great with ceviche. Añejo tequila pairs well with grilled steak. Mezcal Reposado complements grilled pork, and Mezcal Añejo is delicious with dark chocolate or aged cheese. So next time you reach for tequila or mezcal, think beyond the margarita. Whether you're mixing a killer cocktail or sipping it neat, there's a whole world of flavors waiting for you. What's your favorite way to enjoy tequila or mezcal? Drop a comment below and let me know. Remember to drink responsibly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more cocktail content. Salud!